Welcome back, dear lovely audience, to Effective Corner. I'm very happy to see you here, guys, in this special platform because I'm going to show you today something new and creative task: how to transfer your handwritten signature to a vector one. That means highly qualified file. If you look at the picture in front of you right now in the screen, handwritten signature is a bit normal and rasterized one. If I zoom this picture, you can see the clear output. It's not clear at all. On the other hand, the vector file is absolutely crystal clear and you can use anywhere. For example, yesterday I recorded a tutorial regarding letterhead and letterpad design. So in that place, I used that signature. So let me show you. Yes, this is the letterhead I designed for the tutorial purpose, and look at the signature. This is crystal clear and better impression, I guess. Some of you might be thinking now that is it mandatory to design this kind of signature in this way? The answer is very simple. It depends on your purpose. If you are thinking that I need to send my CV or letterhead through mail, so I have to put my signature in. So that should be the best quality file. That's why we are trying to design in this way. For example, I'm showing you my CV where I used, that's the thing, so you can get some ideas. Yes, that's the thing. Without delaying anymore, I need to concentrate how to design this project. So let's do it. In order to do this, you have to write down your signature on a white paper. That should be better, and the output will be better later. Okay, nice point and nice rhyme. No matter, okay, we are going to design this one. So first of all, we will open this file in Photoshop. No worries what the version you have right now. Just follow my steps. So first of all, look at the picture. We need the signature only, no need the pen. So that's why we will crop this picture so that we can get only the signature. So I think this is perfect and I'm happy with that. The second step is more simple. I'll change the adjustment color to black and white because I need this photograph absolutely black and white. But look at the picture closely, more closely. It's not black at all, so I need to refine. So what can I do? I will go to the layer panel and click on the levels. So don't think that, oh, I don't know the photograph, Photoshop, even Illustrator. How can I do this? You don't need to be an expert to do this. Just follow the process that I'm showing you right now. And no worries, very soon I'm trying to make tutorials chronologically based on a course from basic to advanced. So you are invited to watch this. So I need to change the color. Look at the picture. If I change the slider to the right side, it will become darker. Now I'll try my best to make it a bit darker so that I can get a crystal clear black and white image. So I think for now it's okay for me, but if you spend more time, the project will be more stunning. So you are requested to spend more time as much as you can, so it will be better. Now we will save this photo. Absolutely JPG or PNG. Here is the name file for signatures. I need to write down too. Okay, our primary task is finished. Now let's open this file in Illustrator. Here is our file. So now we will open this one to Illustrator. Eventually, this is the place that will help us to transfer this rasterized file. See the rasterized one? Yes, this is absolutely blurry. Okay, then to make you understand, I'm copying this. Okay, select your photo and look at the menu bar, and just below this place here is a button named Image Trace. Click this one and wait a bit. Again, you have seen that the button is changed, that is expand. Click again it and your task is finished. Very simple, isn't it? Okay, now ungroup your photo. Why? Because I don't need the white background, that's why. So click the white background and delete. Again, delete the unwanted white shapes. You don't need them at all. That's why. Still, I have some white shapes inside the lines, but I need them. So, but the colors are different, so it's really weird. So I need to go to Pathfinder. If you don't find the Pathfinder here, simply go to Windows and check the Pathfinder, so it will be active on there. So I will unite both the shape. Okay, first of all I need to select the shapes that I need to unite. Okay, absolutely clear. White's white, I need to change them anytime, any color. So this is the facilities I have. Now I'm going to show you what's the difference between these files. Look at this one and look at this one, crystal clear. Okay, another problem I have discovered right now, this is not actually smooth, a bit sharper, so you need to refine. You can use pen tool instead in order to do this. So I'm telling you the process. If you spend the time more and more and don't do hurry, so I think that you can do better. So problem is solved, and if you take this file as a serious one and try to refine from your own, this will really work. And now date. What about the date? I don't need the date, so I have written there because date isn't fixed yet. We need to write down several dates and several time, so that's why I'll delete. Okay, this is our signature. So in order to input the date here, we can use a type tool. For you guys, I'm showing you the process. Okay, simply you can use any kind of font here, but try to use the font that suits very much to your signature. Now how can I do this? Wait a bit. Now we'll save this project, but we don't need this one, even the date. I just want the signature, that's why I will delete. And another problem, the artboard is a bit larger, so I need to crop. Okay, we are all set. Now we'll save. In order to save, click File and Export for screens. The reasons I am showing this process because I need to save this file as PNG. And why PNG? PNG can carry the file only without background, that's why. And here's the destination where I have to save. You can change even if you want. Now PNG, the 818, it will be a bit better file. After finishing everything, just click Export Artboard. It will be saved there. Okay, we have done our project. Now, for the sake of you guys, I'm telling you an additional information that is regarding this kind of process. If you have the creativity and you know the process, you can design anything you want. So, for example, a few months back, I had designed a t-shirt maintaining this process. So here is an example. Look at the design. Very simple. This is my photograph and I have designed maintaining this process. Always try to expose the creativity in a different way, but the process is the same, but the creativity might be different. This is the formula, this is the system and the characteristic I personally believe it for a graphic designer. So one should be creative enough to show their excellencies in this industry. So if you have that mentality and you can improve your skills, I strongly believe that you can reach your destination very easily and within very short time. But you have to be dedicated one. This is the simple process I have designed, and I have designed a signature from a rasterized file to a vector one, but this isn't for this one. You can apply in several other projects. So that's very simple and it really be very helpful for everyone. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for being with me. and stay connected to Effective Corner. I'll be back again with another creative designs with any new tutorial, so you are cordially invited to watch again. Pray for me. Thank you very much. Bye bye.